This is the barbecue sauce that your friends want you to bring.
Yeah, you got it, Mike. Okay, see ya. Hi, we just got back from the beach. This is Larry at Grand Park and Cook. Had a nice swim, but even better, we just got invited to a friend's house for a barbecue. So we don't even have to worry about making lunch. He did ask that I bring some of our barbecue sauce over that we make. It's simple to make, it's tangy, it's sweet, it's delicious, and it complements the meat rather than smother it. I'll be back in a minute, I'll make it up. Come along and watch how we do it. See ya. The first thing I do when making the barbecue sauce is mix together the dry ingredients, which consist of 2 teaspoons of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Just mix those together. They're going to be mixed in the sauce anyway. So we take a cup of ketchup, to that we add a cup of vinegar, half cup of golden syrup or dark corn syrup, obviously this is syrupy, it's going to take a while to go in. And then I put in a 1/4 cup of molasses. This thickens it up and gives it a little stronger flavor.
Now, add your dry ingredients and mix them well. Now's a nice time to add a little bit of Tabasco or other hot sauce. I normally go somewhere between a 1/4 teaspoon or a teaspoon, but you can use as much or as little as you like. I'm not using any in this sauce because the people we're eating with, they don't like any heat at all. I put it on the stove on a medium-high heat. I stir it pretty much consistently until it comes to a slow boil. Then I lower it to the low heat, and I just let it simmer with the occasional stir for about 35 to 40 minutes. When it's done, if it's thick enough for you, it's great. If not, you can leave it cook a little longer. I do leave it on the stove when it's cooking with a cover off the pan. I think you're going to love this. It's a really, really nice sauce. It has a little bit of a tang to it, a little bit of a sweetness. It's easy to make. Thanks for watching. Next week, we're going to post a recipe that you can use the sauce on. It'll either be on some ribs or some pulled pork.